This is a look at the new rapid unwind design that we came up with here in California. If you'll notice, looking at it closely, it's a pretty simple system. There's no moving parts, nothing to assemble. If I pick the rack up like this, literally it just fits right on the edge of the bicycle rack type barricade, like that. This bar runs all along the vertical spokes, so that's what stabilizes it. If I push down on it, nothing happens. The shaft that holds the roll is a 2-inch piece of PVC pipe that has permanent caps on it. See that? And so the roll, literally just this slides through the roll. The cap will go through the core of the heat sheets on a roll. You simply put this one here, this one over here, and they drop in place. And there's enough curl to this that it doesn't want to come out very easily. So when you pull on it this way, it's very stable. Now you can see that this is a standard rack with the curved feet. We prefer the flat feet usually, but I'm not so sure it's that important. So I'm going to take this one out of the steel one, which is the sturdier of the two, we think. The reality is the aluminum doesn't require any kind of treatment before it's used. So this is how it works. It hangs just fine. Both of the racks fit beautifully. The aluminum won't corrode, and it's very, very light. In fact, we've gone from 7 pounds, we'll probably cut this down to 3 pounds or 4 pounds. We're going to weigh it today just to get a real idea. But that's how this rack works. This one with the aluminum doesn't have quite as much curl here. So this comes up more, and it takes a little bit of a snap in to get the pipe in. This one just drops right in place. We're not sure if that's going to give us enough stability when we turn the roll. We're pulling a roll on it. But I knew this was down here at a little airport in Sonoma where I live, and I was headed for San Francisco when I realized these barricades were right here close by where I could actually take some pictures of them. So that's what the rack looks like. Again, these are what we call the bike rack barricades. They're readily available. They cost, these racks individually cost about $150. And we think rental-wise they're probably about $25. Most large events use these because they're readily available in most cities. They're very, very sturdy, and they're great for crowd control. And again, we use the rungs in these racks, the vertical rungs, to store heat sheets in. So we fill heat sheets in every other one of these rungs across the rack. These are 8-footers. They come in 4 feet, 6 feet, and 8 feet as far as I know. So for now, this is the steel design. This is the aluminum design. And the 2-inch PVC pipe, if you take a good look at it, this is actually a pipe that's used in the electrical industry for underground cables. It's a rigid non-metallic conduit above ground, underground, Schedule 40 PVC. And it's readily available. Okay? If there are any questions, you can reach us at www.afm, as in Mike, that's Advanced Flexible Materials, AFM Inc., and we're in Petaluma, California. AFMinc.com. You can also get us at heatsheets.com, HEATSHEETS.com. And we look forward to working with you this year because we think this rack system makes separating and using heat sheets much easier.